Imagine you're strolling down the cobblestone streets of Paris, the Eiffel Tower looming majestically above you. You can smell the freshly baked croissants from a nearby cafe, and the sound of accordion music fills the air. Ah, Paris, the city of love and lights. But hold on, our journey doesn't stop there. Imagine yourself cruising down the winding canals of Venice, the sun setting in the distance, casting a golden glow over the colorful buildings. Gondoliers serenade you as you glide past centuries-old palaces, each with its own story to tell. And who could forget about the breathtaking landscapes of the Swiss Alps? Imagine standing atop a snow-capped peak, surrounded by towering mountains and crystal-clear lakes below. It's a scene straight out of a postcard. But here's the thing, my fellow travelers. Europe is not just about famous landmarks and picturesque scenery. It's about immersing yourself in different cultures, tasting exotic cuisines, and making unforgettable memories along the way. From backpackers exploring on a shoestring budget to luxury travelers indulging in 5-star accommodations, Europe has something for everyone. Whether you're sipping wine in the vineyards of Tuscany or partying until dawn in Ibiza, there's no shortage of experiences to be had. So, buckle up and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime as we embark on a journey through the best places to visit in Europe. From historic cities to charming villages, we'll cover it all in this ultimate travel guide. Get ready to pack your bags because Europe is calling, and trust me, you don't want to miss out on this epic adventure. Number 10, Athens. Athens is a dream for history lovers and architecture enthusiasts. Its famous landmarks like the Acropolis, home to the iconic Parthenon Temple, and ancient Agora draw crowds from around the world. But Athens offers more than just history. The city's relaxed vibe and amazing food are equally appealing. While exploring Greece's capital, don't miss a stroll through the quaint neighborhood of Plaka. Here, you'll discover cozy cafes, charming shops, and traditional Greek architecture, making it a perfect spot to soak up the local culture. Number 9. Venice. Venice, Italy is a magnet for all types of travelers, offering enchanting canals, historic buildings, and delicious dining spots. You can admire grand architecture at St. Mark's Basilica, walk across the iconic Rialto Bridge, or snap photos at the famous Bridge of Sighs. Culture buffs can catch a show at the elegant Teatro La Fenice, Venice's top opera house. Just be prepared for large crowds, especially in peak seasons. To manage over-tourism, there's a small entry fee for day trippers. And keep in mind, gondola rides and hotels can be expensive, so plan your budget wisely. Number 8, Prague. A trip to Prague will make you feel like you're in a fairy tale. Explore the Gothic architecture and lively vibe of Old Town Square, and don't miss touring Prague Castle or walking across the iconic Charles Bridge. This Czech city also has beautiful parks like Petrine Hill, the Wallenstein Garden, and Letna Parks. And with its affordable food, drinks, accommodations, and great public transportation, Prague is perfect for budget-conscious travelers exploring Europe. Number 7, Florence. In Florence, Italy, you'll find amazing museums, beautiful buildings, and delicious food. Make sure to see Michelangelo's David at the Galleria dell'Accademia, enjoy views from the Ponte Vecchio, and climb to the top of the Duomo. For food, visit the Mercato Centrale Firenze for fresh meats and cheeses, or try mushroom tagliatelle or gelato at a cozy outdoor restaurant. And don't miss strolling around the lovely Piazza della Signoria, next to the famous Uffizi Gallery. Number 6, Barcelona. Barcelona, Spain, stands out for its diverse architecture, with must-see spots like Antoni Gaudi's Parc Güell and the Basilica de la Sagrada Familia. Also impressive are the Palau de la Música Orfeo Catalana and the medieval buildings in the Gothic Quarter. When you need a break from sightseeing, chill out on La Barceloneta beach, try tasty local tapas at Boqueria Market, or enjoy sangria along Las Ramblas, a bustling street full of cafes and shops. Number 5, Amsterdam. In Amsterdam, there's more than just coffee shops and the red light district. Cruise around the city's stylish streets on a bike. It's super bike-friendly here. Then check out cool museums like the Van Gogh Museum, Dutch Resistance Museum, and Anne Frank House. Have a picnic in Vondelpark, or take a boat tour along the canals. And don't forget to explore nearby places like Utrecht, Zanza Schans, and the Keukenhof Gardens for a day trip. Number 4. London, England. Exploring the world-famous British Museum, seeing a musical in the West End Theatre District, watching the changing of the guard at Buckingham Palace, and gorging on fish and chips at a local pub are all part of the London experience. History buffs can step back in time at the Tower of London, while foodies eat their way through the Borough Market. Because there are endless things to do in this UK metropolis, you'll want to book a sightseeing tour to optimize your time. However, London's high hotel prices can make travelers with tight budgets cringe. To save money, book your accommodations far in advance. Number 3. The Swiss Alps. Located south of Zurich, Bern, and Basel, the Swiss Alps are a haven for winter sports enthusiasts. While skiing, hiking, and snowboarding tend to dominate this region, you'll also discover quaint towns, serene lakes, and gorgeous scenery that can be experienced year-round. Luxury mountain resorts are available throughout the region as well, making it a playground for all sorts of travelers. Additionally, no trip to the Swiss Alps would be complete without indulging in some warm, gooey cheese fondue and melt-in-your-mouth Swiss chocolate. Number 2. Rome. Rome is a must-see city in Italy. You can smell the delicious Italian food everywhere, and there are amazing historical sites at every corner. Don't miss the Colosseum, the Roman Forum, and the beautiful Trevi Fountain. You can learn a lot on a guided tour, and make sure to visit St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel in Vatican City. They're famous for Michelangelo's incredible artwork. If you have extra time, explore Trastevere and the Spanish Steps too. Number 1. Paris. Paris is undoubtedly the beating heart of France, filled with highly regarded museums, monuments, and churches. You could easily spend your entire vacation admiring iconic sites like the Eiffel Tower on a sightseeing tour, wandering through exhibits at the Louvre, and strolling through the beautiful greenery at the Luxembourg Gardens. And you won't want to miss shopping along this European destination's famous thoroughfare, the Champs-Élysées, which is lined with designer shops, theaters, and more. Once the sun sets, sit down for a decadent French meal at one of the city's many Michelin-starred restaurants. Thanks for joining us on this journey through some of the best places to visit in Europe. Whether you're exploring the historical landmarks of Rome, soaking in the vibrant culture of Barcelona, or marveling at the picturesque canals of Amsterdam, Europe has something to offer every traveler. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour and that it inspired you to plan your next European adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel content. Until next time, happy travels!